All right, let's get into it. Annie said she found us some candidates, which usually means I'm about to spend 6 months breathing rust dust. Today's example, a red 3rd Gen IROC-Z.
Welding me softly with his spark.
From 10 feet away, it looks like 1985. From 2 feet away, it looks like archaeology. Before we talk LS swaps or making it look like Annie's black Camaro, we check if there's enough metal left to work with. First, floors. If you can see pavement from the driver's seat, that's not restoration, that's ventilation. Second, rockers. Those are structural. If they crunch when you press them, the car is basically a folding chair with a V8. Third, rear quarters. Safety rule. If you go under the car, 4 jack stands minimum. A floor jack lifts the car. Jack stands keep you alive. Gloves and eye protection. Rust always falls downward, usually into your face. Golden rule. If a part looks creatively shaped, look it up. Google is your friend. Someone already made that mistake. Verdict? This IROC has potential, which is another word for expensive. Body comes first, because 500 horsepower in a rusted shell just turns one car into 2 smaller ones. That sound you hear? That's my wallet.
Jack, you rock.